I'm buying a house and I've heard about flood insurance. Should I look into it and perhaps buy a policy? Well, that's a very good question. And depending upon exactly where your house is located is important. If it's right on the coastline or if it abuts a river or stream, like this one here, it might be a good idea. Here are some things you might want to consider about buying flood insurance. Floods are the most common and costly natural disasters in the United States. In 2021, there were 162 flood events across the country that caused over $44 billion in damage. And if you're buying a home in a high-risk flood zone, your mortgage company will probably require you to purchase flood insurance to protect the bank's interest in your house. In case you're wondering, standard homeowners insurance policies do not cover flooding. In fact, most companies exclude floods from their coverage, but there are exceptions. So if you live in an area prone to flooding and choose not to buy flood coverage, you, the homeowner, will be responsible for the entire cost of repairs out of pocket. Flood insurance is relatively affordable. The cost will depend on your location and the value of your home, but it is typically much less expensive than the cost of repairing your home after a flood. Flood insurance can help you recover quickly after a flood, and if you have flood insurance, you'll be able to file a claim and receive reimbursement for your losses. This will help you get back on your feet as soon as possible. Flood insurance can give you peace of mind by knowing that you're protected in the event of a flood. Even if you don't live in a high-risk flood zone, it is still a good idea to buy flood insurance. Floods can happen anywhere, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Even a small amount of flooding can cause thousands of dollars of damage, and flood insurance can help you avoid financial hardship. If your home is flooded, you may not be able to afford the repair out of pocket, and flood insurance can help you pay for the repairs and get back into the home as soon as possible. Even a small amount of flooding can cause thousands of dollars of damage. Flood insurance can help you avoid financial hardship, and if your home is flooded, you may not be able to afford the repair out of pocket. Flood insurance can help you pay for the repairs and get back into your home as soon as possible. Floods can happen quickly and without warning. If a flood strikes, you may not have time to take the steps to protect your home and its belongings. Flood insurance can help you recover from a flood even if you don't have time to take preventive measures. If you're considering buying flood insurance, I recommend that you talk to your insurance agent to get a quote. They can help you determine the best coverage for your needs and your budget. I'm Jim Aldred.